Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM M4 URGi NGRS model. So obviously this one has the level 3 upgrades, which is obviously upgrade spring, hop rubber, and in this case the Firefly one, Prometheus Flat Nub, and it's also got the Prometheus type ball barrel. That equates to level 3. Because this one's got the Gate Titan basic installed and high torque motor, we've also installed the EagleSix upgraded recoil spring, just to give it a bit more kick, but also create to make it a bit more snappy, but also to obviously keep up with the fact that it's now a higher rate of fire gun, and then for recoils anyway. And we find it's just a much more balanced system. Then we obviously we've set up your hop for 3s and met your FPS requirements. We've emailed those to you. This particular one, obviously because it's going to be going to America, this is going to be replaced with a 3D printed orange flash hider, and there's going to be a grub screw underneath it. So just remember that obviously if you're going to be taking that off, that to remove the grub screw, otherwise you might damage the threads. Trying to twist that off, and then obviously we do the orange tape and everything that needs to be in order to get it to you safely in America. So but yeah, we're just ready to demonstrate this working. Obviously a really crisp trigger response with the Gate Titan and Nuprol motor combo there, so it's going quite well. Obviously we think that that upgraded recoil spring gives a nice snappy return on that weight, so the overall feel of it is just snappier, which is good. There we go, so it's all tested and ready to go out. Obviously we'll put the specs in the description for the video, if you can just confirm that's all good, but hopefully everything's all good, and we can get this sent out to you and you get to enjoy it. So thank you.